In the world of gaming cases, Montech describes their Sky 2 mid-tower as the fortress of power and style. So today, we're going to put that theory to the test and do a quick gaming setup just to show you what this case is made of. Stay tuned. So for the look of this case, Montech went with a glassy and classy vibe, adding tempered glass, front and side panels to help you show off the colorful RGB fans and other components inside. Now, one of the great things about the Sky 2 is that it comes with pre-installed RGB fans that helps to keep your rig cool for those intense and long hours of gaming. But these aren't just regular RGB fans. Let's check in with one of our experts to learn more. Hey bro, the case is looking really good so far, but I wanted to ask you about the fans in this case. What makes this one so special?
Alright, so the fans in this case are ARGB, and that makes all the difference. For example, if you have a regular RGB fan that has 50 LEDs and you want to make the fan purple, then all the LEDs have to be purple at the same time. You can still do different lighting modes like strobing, gradually fading, rainbow, etc. But you can't do some of the more impressive lighting effects that an ARGB fan can do, like set each of the 50 LEDs to any color you want at the same time. This feature really helps you to customize your setup and adds to the overall experience.
Oh, for real? That sounds cool.
Yes, and speaking of cool, the cooling system in this case is really good. 3 of the fans pull cool air into the tower, while 1 helps to push the hot air out. And of course, you can rearrange the setup to your liking, but the factory setup is pretty ideal.
Yeah, that does sound pretty ideal. Well, you get back to finishing the setup and I'll go finish this review.
Alright.
So one of the main things about buying a gaming case is that you want to make sure your case has enough space to hold everything comfortably, including that monster GPU for high performance. Well, the Sky 2 can fit your full ATX motherboard, multiple video cards, and still have enough space for storage so that you can house a ton of games. And this case also has a top-notch cable management system that keeps those cables out of sight. Now let's check out the setup. And that's it for today's review. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment if you want us to review an item that you bought in our store. See you soon.